Hello, boys and girls. Today is day 4 of our biography unit. You continue to write really good notes. I'm super proud of you. You guys are learning a lot, and I'm learning a lot from you as well. So remember, when you're starting your note-taking process today, to review your current notes. So I just quickly look at my day 1. I notice that I've got, what day he was born, and some basic dates of information. My notes are kind of going in order of his life. So I'm kind of creating a timeline of his events here. Yesterday, I wrote about that he actually, before he had Hershey's, I learned that he actually had a very successful caramel business. He ended up having 2 factories that made caramel. I learned about him finding his wife and getting married. So today, as I continued to read, he finally made chocolate that he was satisfied with. And he also made chocolate with an assembly line, so he could make a lot at once. And he decided to build a town around his factory. He had theaters and parks, a bank, a library, post office, a zoo, a school, all sorts of stuff. In 1906, the town was actually named Hershey, Pennsylvania. And he continued what he had done with his very first candy business, where he made the pipes coming from the basement and releasing the scent into the air. He did that in Hershey as well. And so the whole town of Hershey, Pennsylvania smells like chocolate. And in 1907, the Hershey Kiss was invented. So remember, as you read, you need to stay focused. You need to think about important dates, family, education, obstacles or problems, accomplishments, and any major life events. Think about those as you're reading and take your notes. You'll go to this slide again on your checklist. And for 20 minutes, I would like you to read and take notes and then submit your pictures for me. Have a great day.